They're circling us. Look at all the fucking seagulls.
Ah! This one has only 1 foot.
Look at his little foot.
Ah!
Getting even closer, Mel.
Ah! Go away!
Reminds me of the movie The Birds.
I know.
Where all the birds are killers.
Here you go.
That sucks shit, seagulls. Fly, birdie! Fly!
Oh, with your ship.
Fuck off.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what is it doing? Oh my god! Oh my god, okay, I'll give you a chip! Just leave me alone! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is it doing?
Oh, dude, shut up.
Bird is freaking me out. It only has 1 foot.
Take the camera. I'm gonna run them off.
And yes, I videoed it. It's still over there. And look, that is our yummy chips. Good bird, you score a whole lot of free chips, even though you're footless.
Even though you're footless. I want my phone back. Look at them all.
Oh my god, how many times did I throw you? Go away! Can't you?
The birds.
Oh, not the one with the 1 foot. I swear it was over there a second ago.
It was. He's footless. Look at him. He's footless.
Oh god, I nearly kicked again. He only has 1 foot. He's making me feel sorry. Here you go. Oh my god! He's okay! They jumped on him! He's still continues eating. Oh my god!
No! Go away. Go away. I wish we could throw air at them and they'd feel it and run away.
Okay, I won't tease you. Oh my god, they're gonna go. Ew, why is the ground so hot behind me?
Why is it so wet?
Bruh. Ah! He doesn't want a foot.
Free.
You're still not putting this on Facebook. Me screaming of a seagull.
1-footed freak. Ah! Shit.
Oh my god, another bird. Oh my god, I didn't think they'd come if I put it next to me, but they will. They'll be attacking me.
Look, they're surrounding us. They're circulating around us.
Here you go.
I said a big word.
Circulating.
Oh, look at him.
So cute.
He's footless. They're coming closer.
Watch out, he's sneaking.
Ah!
Get away.
Yum, 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 yum.
And there's like put a chip right here, look. See this? It's here. That's right, it's just scared to come and get it. What about here? I screamed and they started coming towards me. The one with the 1 foot got it.
Look at them all.
What about here? Oh my god! It's coming really close. Look, look, look. Come on. Oh my god! I don't like these things.
They're around us again.
Oh my
That one's pretending it's got a non-foot, even though I can see its foot. Look at it.
Maybe it's hurt itself. He can get a chip too.
He missed that.
And so really confused.
Oh, look at him. I think he's missing a toe.
No, it's the one with the sore foot.
The toeless one. Okay, so far there's a footless one and a toeless one.
What else is there? A headless one?
Oh god, I hope not.
Can't go that far.
I'm gonna start recording now.
Oops, I threw it.
I ate the last chip.
Oh no, I dropped it! Let's do
No.
one here. Oh my god, I cannot get that other. Oh, that thing is hurt.